Welcome back, guys.
Welcome to episode 4.
Where we're still talking about dating because it was so much fun the other day.
Right? But tonight we're gonna talk about when you're starting to get more intentional and serious about your dating life, like going to another stage
Level.
of relationship.
Boss
Mungkin jadi
level.
pacar
Yes.
atau mungkin jadi apa. What better way to start it than to start telling each other?
Embarrassing stories of our dating life.
Who wants to start?
You do. You first. You
So
first.
I can't think of, the only thing I can think of is, so I bought this car back when I was in college. I bought this car and kalau di Indonesia kan, you buy the car, you don't have to change the license plate, you just have to renew it STNK-nya gitu kan. But apparently license plates in the United States are possessions that belongs to a certain car owner. So I bought the car, the title is with me.
Emang beda sama yang di sini?
Apanya?
Rules-nya.
Beda ternyata.
Oh.
Jadi you have to, it was me and my ex-girlfriend. We're pulling up to a coffee shop and suddenly di belakang tiba-tiba woo sirena. I didn't know what was going on, and I went to jail for a day while I was gonna grab coffee with her because I was in possession of a stolen license plate.
Loh, kalau di sini nggak apa-apa?
Nggak apa-apa kan, kamu bisa perpanjang STNK asal nggak diblokir.
Oh, kalau di sana memang one person, one license plate, pindah tangan, you
pindah
have
tangan,
to.
betul. Walaupun mobilnya udah pindah tangan, belum tentu license plate-nya udah pindah tangan.
Oh.
License plate itu tidak ikut mobil, ikutnya ke perseorangan gitu.
Orangnya,
Heeh.
kayak KTP.
Nah, terus orang ini ternyata melaporkan bahwa plat nomornya itu kecolongan.
Kenapa?
Karena dia punya parking tiket sebanyak.
Oh,
Gitu.
tapi that's, you know, the very first thing. Okay, you Google people, right? Like when you first date them, right?
You know that
So,
she Googled me
I
when we
Goog-
first started out?
I Googled.
And she found a mugshot of me.
Let's look it up right now.
Let's go, Richard Carnati.
No, I tried. Tusa.
What'd you say?
Doesn't exist.
I found
You told me
it.
this one.
Because it was
found
maybe after 10 years kali.
It was like, I wanted to bring it up, tapi I was like, gimana ya bring it up-nya ya? Why does he have, because I have I think everybody needs to like really,
Do
apalagi
background
nowadays.
check.
Iya kan, background check dulu lah.
Yeah,
At
yeah,
least
yeah,
dia
yeah.
bukan penipu
Atau dia
atau
fraud atau apa gitu
some
kan.
crazy pedophile or whatever gitu kan. At least kalau udah itu enggak, ya udahlah aman gitu
Yeah,
kan.
yeah.
Tapi
So, what about you? What's your embarrassing
I
story?
have a couple. I have.
Satu aja.
Oh wait. I
Panjangan
want to
kalau
tell. Enggak. I
Oh,
want
nggak
to tell
dua-duanya.
those.
Oke,
Yeah.
siap.
Pokoknya kalau yang satu, ladies, don't drink sweet stuff on an empty stomach and add on popcorn onto it, especially when you know that mau abis itu mau nonton film gitu kan.
Ada kemungkinan ciuman.
Iya, apalagi kalau it's like
Betul.
one of the first dates gitu kan. You don't know each other that well. Kan dia belum tahu ya bahwa this is not a norm for you, that your breath kok kind of stinks ya gitu. So anyways, I was having iced tea and
Watch out, Rory.
I was like, ooh, 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 ooh. Oh.
Yeah. Thank you.
Excuse me. I was having ice cream and popcorn in a movie. I was fully expecting like a kiss lah ya, because it was the movies and I was in high school and stuff. Ternyata terus enggak sampai habis kelar tuh. Tadi dia udah sempet dekat-dekat gitu. Kok nggak jadi gitu kan?
Taunya mulutnya bau.
Die. I realized afterwards kayak what happened, terus and then I went like, wih kok aneh ya bau mulut.
Taunya asam lambung.
Asam lambung. Nah, the second one was with you. It's not embarrassing, but more sad sih sebenarnya.
What do you mean?
Jadi kan we were dating already for quite a while.
Okay.
And then we decided to tell your parents. And then we decided to tell them in one of their birthdays. So we took them out to dinner
Oh yeah.
in a Japanese restaurant.
Yes, the Japanese restaurant's closed already now.
And then, you know, like, you just, like, I know your parents already, right?
Right.
Before, kind we've met.
Right,
Tapi kan, this is like officially telling them that we're going
We're
out.
going out, right.
So we didn't tell them. Jadi awalnya tuh udah kayak lebih kayak, oh ya sayang, kayak gitu
Iya,
ya.
iya.
They were showing that.
Yeah.
Sementara kan sebelumnya dia panggil saya Kak Asti kan.
Itu.
Terus
Oh, Lord.
for
Karena kan my mom knows the family kan, my mom and dad kan knows the family.
yeah, gitu. And then maksudnya a little bit a quick background bahwa when we first started going out tuh we were working awalnya gitu
Yeah,
kan,
yeah,
in the
yeah.
band and stuff like that. And since I'm older than him, then he calls me Kak Asti. So yeah, that was the whole thing with the family. Nah, that day terus kan udah mulai kayak sini aku bantuin gitu. Ya sayang gitu.
Tapi aku I don't remember it as embarrassing sih.
Iya nggak, tapi begitu. The thing is, because the thing is, I'm very
Yes,
sensitive
she's very
to people.
sensitive. Because me, I'm very confrontative.
So I can see
The look.
that his mom tuh kayak ada kesamber petir gitu moment, you know, like gitu kan, terus langsung she tensed up, and then like the whole way through she didn't say anything anymore.
Oh, bless her soul.
Yes, iya mami, dirawat kok anaknya beneran mami. Anyways, gitu. Itu one of the dating mishaps.
Cukup kayak embarrassing stories sih,
Yeah.
karena kan kepanjangan, tadi berapa menit?
Yeah, tell us your dating stories.
Yes, comment your embarrassing stories. We would love to hear them. And you can keep it anonymous. That's all right.
That's kind of hard to do.
Maybe create a fake account or something.
Okay, we're gonna go to the first question. What do you guys think of falling fast or taking it slow? Did you guys get to do that?
Oh, we fast or taking it slow? I fell fast. So, but you said you're proceeding with caution.
Yeah, and I had a rule of thumb for proceeding with caution adalah the first 3 months, don't think too much about it.
Just go ahead.
Don't think too much about it. Don't even like, oh, can it be a relationship? No, karena because if you do that, you're gonna put too much pressure unnecessarily.
Yes.
Jadinya it's not gonna develop organically.
Right.
Sementara I realized that through my sailings in life,
The dating world.
in the dating world, if within 3 to 6 months, if it's just lust, if it's
If it's just a fling.
if it's just a fling, pasti akan dissipate on its own. So
Okay.
why think too much about it? Kita lihat
Yeah,
aja
yeah,
lah.
yeah,
gitu.
nanti kemana.
That's why kan waktu kita awal-awal jalan,
Punya kontrak 3 bulan. 3
That's
bulan kok lanjut terus.
that's why we joke kan.
Yeah.
Udahlah kita lihat aja nanti perpanjang kontrak apa enggak 3 bulan.
Betul.
3 bulan udah lewat 3 bulan, udah 3 bulan nih.
Iya, kok
Gimana
6
sih?
bulan?
Ya kita lihat lagi aja 6 bulan gitu. Udah lewat lagi 6 bulan. Gimana ya? Apa kontrak mati aja?
Iya, 14 tahun nih udah.
Yes, that is. And I think mungkin if you're just starting to date, don't think too much about stuff the first 3 months.
And one of the things that someone told me is kan when I'm in my 20s gitu kan, we talk about dating a lot gitu kan. Someone told me, dude, you're not doing anything morally wrong anyways.
Yeah.
Don't feel like you're gonna commit murder or anything like that. It's nothing morally wrong gitu. Jadi nggak usah terlalu dipikir-pikirin amat gitu.
Iya.
Cuma mungkin ada yang mikir juga kan, mungkin buang waktu lah or something. Cuma
Yeah.
I mean, you only live once.
Yeah.
Go
Come
on
friends
dates.
first, yeah.
Yes.
So what are some early green flags that no one talks about?
Early green flags of her.
Just
of-
in
in
general,
dating.
kan you guys said every 3 months you guys would check
Oh,
in, what are some
early green
flags?
flag is, I think she checks all the boxes in everything. Yeah, maksudnya teacher. I think me and her was at a point that we wanted to have if you haven't watched the previous episode, watch the previous episode, because we said that we were at a point that masa iya sih relationship tuh cuman kayak begini doang gitu kan. So, and she checks all the boxes that this is more than other relationships I've had gitu.
Tapi ya terus go ahead.
Yeah, that's the green flag.
Yeah, tapi okay. Bear in mind, I think I check all of the boxes that would be red flags for most people.
Oh, okay.
Ya kan? I come from karena I was just speaking to someone about checking boxes.
Okay.
And then when they mentioned their boxes, so I'm
Right.
like, wow, I would have failed so miserably in your boxes gitu kan.
Right. Karena standard of the boxes tinggi banget ya.
I didn't, maksudnya gini, boxesnya kayak salah satunya adalah have to come from a family yang masih utuh gitu dan healthy family.
Okay.
And then have to like mungkin be pure and and go to school abroad gitu kan.
Be pure in a sense what? Virgin?
Ya maksudnya tuh mungkin kayak belum pernah yang gimana.
Belum
maksudnya
pernah ngaco-ngaco rock and roll banget hidupnya.
belum pernah rock
gitu.
and roll, and then I've been married before gitu
Okay,
kan.
okay.
And then ya kayak gitu. I think when I met you actually in the worldly sense of checking boxes, I would have failed anybody's boxes
Right.
miserably.
Right. Tapi yeah, you're right. But it doesn't define your future kan.
Yeah.
Yang define your future is how you fall and you wanna get back up and you wanna become better kan. Tapi that's what I see in her. Bukan become better only ya, cuman admitting to her iniquities. I think that is the most green flag. Admitting to yes, I want to get better but I don't know how. I think that's better than feeling like I know what it is. I know how it is to live. I know harusnya begini. I think that's the box that I was talking about.
Maybe her character development.
Her character, betul.
Yeah.
What about you, Asti?
Green flags with you, yeah. It's hard to pinpoint just one. Karena kayaknya kalau yang pasti sih I feel heard and
Heard ya, bukan hurt.
heard.
Didengar.
Listen to.
Yes.
And I felt dan ini, tapi nggak selalu harus setuju gitu ya.
Betul.
I mean, you were not always agreeing with me.
Yeah.
You had, I think that is one green flag. You had your own thoughts about it, about things, your set of values. You believe in them. But kalau misalnya challenge, tapi the conversation tuh akhirnya you would listen.
Open to change.
Oh, kenapa gitu kan? And you would listen, and then kalau memang ternyata masuk akal, you would actually change
Yeah,
your opinion.
yeah,
Tapi memang kalau masuk akal gitu
Yeah,
ya.
yeah.
Tapi not saying that you are swayed easily
Okay.
gitu. So I think that would be a green flag. So I think green flags doesn't need to be conditions.
Yeah.
You know, karena conditions can change anytime for a
right.
person, a human being in their span of life.
Right.
Tapi I think it needs to be a hard attitude.
Right.
Gila, deep banget nggak sih pembicaraan hari ini?
Keren banget.
Aduh. Okay. Okay, you guys are talking about like checking the boxes and things like that. So, how do you know what's a deal breaker and actually what are preferences? Like when do
Holy
you start
crap.
filtering seriously when you're dating?
How do you know what is a deal breaker?
And what is a preference? Deal breaker versus preference.
I think a deal breaker would be something that is bukan characteristically ya, tapi something that man, I don't know what the word is, tapi bukan karakter, cuman secara value, morals tuh udah salah aja gitu loh.
Untrustworthy.
No,
Bukan,
maybe
okay.
bukan, maybe kayak misalnya I cannot be with someone that would the
Me Too movement.
no the misalnya I cannot why I cannot be with someone who thinks that the end justifies the means.
Oh, yeah.
It's value to me.
Yeah.
It's value to me. So I can't be with someone kayak gitu. I think that is apa tadi bahasanya?
Preference
Apa
versus deal breaker.
Kalau preferences tuh misalnya lebih istri saya berantakan, saya lebih suka rapih rumah. Itu preferences. It's fine gitu kan. Cuman kalau deal breaker tuh lebih suatu hal yang lebih prinsip ya, lebih value gitu, lebih. Tapi bukan karakter juga, karena karakter kan ya karakter sih ya.
Iya dong,
Karakter
itu.
Karakter. Mungkin karakter betul. Jadi encompasses everything, values, characteristics. Tapi ya kayak gitu misalnya ya yang tadi yang the end justifies the means gitu. I cannot be with someone like that because that means she's gonna expect me to do the same thing and that is against my value.
Setuju?
Oke. Lanjut kalau gitu, lanjut.
Okay, so when do you think you can start filtering seriously when you're dating?
Oh.
I think it's perpetual, no?
Yeah, I think you can start filtering somewhere down the line. You will start to see really serious character flaws.
Yes, and everyone will have character flaws.
Betul.
Everyone will have some
tapi-
character flaws.
Tapi apakah kelihatan bahwa dia mau belajar atau enggak? I think that
Atau-
would be it.
Mungkin even if she doesn't change, can I still accept that? Karena character changes kan you can't put a timestamp
Yeah,
on
yeah,
character
yeah.
change. It might be tomorrow, it might be 5 years, it might never change.
Right.
Tapi can you still accept that gitu kan?
So, okay, besides dating me kan, you had other suitors. Suitors.
Ventures.
Apa ya? Ventures. Yang kira-kira bikin kamu bilang, enggak gitu atau waktu itu?
Maybe my previous relationship kita kan kerjanya nyeleweng mulu ya. Dia nyeleweng, aku nyeleweng gitu ya, gimana caranya gitu kan?
Oke.
Ya karakter kan.
Karakter.
Maksudnya dan I think we dated when we were growing up gitu kan. Jadi kan pasti kan there are a lot of changes.
Right.
Apa ya? I don't think I think too much about it, but the only thing I think of was really is relationship just like this that you fight, you make up, you fight, you make up.
Yeah, I think that is the thing that made us stick and the thing that made everything else tuh kayaknya aduh gitu ya.
Iya. Kayaknya enggak sih, enggak.
Karena oke, kalau from my previous relationship itu juga betul. Maksudnya jadi kayak menang-menangan rasanya.
Betul. You do, okay, you did that, I
Iya.
do this now ya, gitu
Iya.
kan. Jadi kan cuma balas-balasan doang ya.
Yeah. Now, as opposed to us, when even like starting to as the start of our relationship, it was never an argument for argument's sake. Mungkin ada awal-awal ya, maksudnya tapi nggak banyak gitu.
Ya, sampai sekarang juga pasti masih ada.
Ada, iya.
Cuman spiritnya beda aja gitu.
Iya, deh gitu. It's more like akhirnya lebih ke okay, tapi let's like resolve this. Like what can I do to be better gitu? How can we approach this better? Jadi
Iya,
lebih
maturity levelnya beda lah.
Iya.
Maturity levelnya beda. I think karena kalau nggak kan kita terlalu ngawang-ngawang ya ngomongnya tadi kan. Ya, orang mungkin nggak ngerti spirit of it kan
Oh,
apa
iya,
gitu kan.
betul.
Ya, maturity levelnya beda aja gitu. On the way we deal with problems, the way we deal with external factors yang kayak tadi my mom nggak setuju gitu. The way we deal with it rasanya lebih as a unit gitu loh.
Ya, gitu.
What about in the beginning of your relationship? Like the first 3 months, kan, the honeymoon stage. What were like your expectations and misunderstandings, especially when it comes to like your love languages?
Apa? 3 bulan pertama yang aku ingat mama buka aja yang banyak. Apalagi? 3 bulan pertama.
a red flag from us. Oh my gosh.
3 bulan pertama kan?
Enggak dong. 3 sampai mungkin jangan 3 bulan pertama kali. Like I said, 3 bulan pertama is all about getting to know the other person.
No, 3 bulan pertama it's about just enjoying each other's company.
Yeah. Maksudnya lebih enjoying each other's company, getting to know the person, not thinking too much gitu kan. Nah, 3 ke 6 bulan kayaknya where we started to
Then you start to see the insecurities-nya di mana yang mesti mati. Clap.
So 3 to 6 months, that's when you believe like people really start to really get to know each other.
Yes. The longer you're in a relationship, the more character flaws will be seen because it's hard to keep on a facade for longer, kan?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then what are the character flaws that you started to see during the not too in your face anymore?
You definitely want to be the Messiah, and it's a character flaw in a
Because of the
sense.
family thing.
Not only family.
Oh, the whole-
iya kan banyak banget aspek yang kamu take care kan.
Okay.
You have to look a certain way gitu kan.
Oh, iya,
Remember when we had that argument at the gym yang soal apa gitu. See, 3 months I can still go to the gym. I can still put on a facade. I can go gymming.
Iya ya, kamu dulu nge-gym ya sama aku
Iya,
ya.
nemenin kan.
Oh iya. Terus okay.
Iya,
We had an argument about
about how you are perceived.
I don't remember that.
di Gandaria City waktu itu.
Ah.
How you are perceived, how people will see you gitu kan.
Okay.
Itu kan ya it shows some insecurities gitu kan.
Yeah.
Sebenarnya kan akhirnya yang kelihatan adalah do you want to work on this or not gitu kan. Yang lebih penting bukan yang lebih kelihatan.
Ya.
Okay. So usually kan the 3 months to 6 months is like the honeymoon period, right? Do you think chemistry is enough to actually maintain a relationship past the quote unquote honeymoon stage?
No. Definitely not. I think it takes commitment. It takes hard work, yes. Definitely not. Keren tuh.
ASMR. Smart.
Smart. Iya lebih lah, nggak mungkin chemistry doang. Mamam tuh chemistry.
Yes.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of hard work. It takes a lot of humility.
It takes a lot of humility.
It takes a lot of unlearning and relearning things.
Yes.
Ya. Karena kan kita kan pasti datang dengan baggage masing-masing.
Yes. And also, guys, it takes a lot of yes as well. No, I mean it because it takes a lot of humility in a sense that you have to admit at times when the flaw is yours. It's not. You don't have to defend yourself too much gitu. Kalau emang it hurts the other party, yeah, it takes a lot of
Asking questions.
yes, and also agreeing, At times when you have to agree, you agree gitu.
Betul. Yeah. I think a lot of our conversations as we progress, as we grow, itu adalah dalam bentuk pertanyaan akhirnya. Karena
Nggak exclusively.
bukan eksklusif, tapi banyak sekali, apalagi kalau misalnya I don't agree with what you say or your stance, akhirnya akan dimulai dengan pertanyaan karena we have to get to know sebenarnya kenapa sih gitu, why do you see it this way,
Yeah.
ya kan, and
Yeah.
then mungkin ada juga apakah my views on it has to be debunked,
Yes.
gitu kan?
Yes.
Do I need to learn something new here? Am I in the wrong gitu
Right,
kan?
and you can argue.
Iya,
It's totally
iya,
fine.
iya,
It's
iya.
totally fine. You can
Tapi
argue.
like if you argue before you get to the bottom of it,
Betul.
it's just gonna end up nowhere.
By no means we're saying we're perfect at that gitu.
Yeah.
There are arguments that are just for the sake of arguments for sure.
Yeah.
Tapi
We progressed.
yes.
Okay, but like how much, like when is the point where you know that you've changed too much? Like how much should you actually change for someone?
I don't think I've changed too much, but there are times when you feel like you don't change dalam hal apa nih, sorry?
Ada for you
Apa?
that you were uncomfortable with.
Apa?
You become too much of a homebody.
Yes, that's what I was going to. Cuman
Yeah.
maksudnya change-nya in a sense of personality atau activity atau apa gitu.
I think just in general.
In
'cause,
general,
like
yeah.
you guys are saying like relearn and learn and unlearn kan. Tapi that changes like how you view life, your values.
Yes,
things
yes.
Like that.
There are times when I feel like I become. She's very much a house person. She wants to be indoors and home, nyaman sendiri gitu. While me personally, I'm more of I want to hang out, I want to do this gitu. And at times I get comfortable akhirnya just being with her juga, that without realizing it, actually I still want to hang out gitu. So that needs to be, at times I go like no, I need to figure out my time too gitu.
I think tapi sebenarnya kan balik lagi it comes back to how comfortable you are with yourself, with what you like gitu.
Ya, dan tapi kan kamu bukan maksa aku untuk
Betul.
di rumah gitu kan.
Itu cuman karena kamu cuman berusaha untuk accommodate to begin with.
Betul. Kebablasan gitu. Bener kok ya.
Ya, kebablasan. Di rumah tuh terlalu nyaman.
Kalau
kamu ya.
nyaman nih enak.
Berarti kan bagus aku membuat rumah ini nyaman untuk kamu.
Bener. Iya bener, betul. Jadi kalau dia lagi nggak ada, gue beberes biasanya gitu kan. Itu kesempatan loh.
Itu berarti suami Anda di-train dengan baik dan benar.
Bukan beranakinnya semua berak gitu kan.
Oke.
Bini gue ini berantakan banget, guys, betul.
Tapi hati saya tertata dengan
Tapi
baik.
tapi dia provide everything, misalnya kayak nyuci baju segala macam dia yang take care tuh. Tapi kalau soal kerapian janganlah, udah nggak usah lah.
Ya kan makanya saling ngisi.
Betul. Dan ternyata saya ngobrol sama suami-suami lain sama ternyata.
Iya, iya.
Banyak yang sama.
Oh, itu namanya controlled chaos.
Chaos sudah. Nggak harus dikontrol. Nggak.
It's just chaos.
Iya, chaos aja.
Okay. So we've been talking a lot about like the things usually already in the relationship, but how like would you go about deciding whether to be exclusive or not?
Oh,
yet?
wow,
Like, you know,
yeah.
the infamous like determining like are we boyfriend girlfriend? Are
Yeah.
we exclusive?
Yeah.
Because that's pretty big nowadays, kan?
Oh,
It is.
me personally, if I make a step towards someone, I would wanna make it exclusive.
Kamu kan the exception, not the rule these days.
I mean, cuman kan misalnya even aku deketin 2 orang, 3 orang misalnya.
Semuanya kamu jajaki.
Misalnya, then you weigh in your options kan?
Oke.
Yang respon yang mana? Kan nggak mungkin semuanya respon juga dong, gitu kan?
Kalau semuanya respon.
Kalau semuanya itu, ya pilih yang paling
Kamu
bagus.
mau bilang hoki barusan ya?
Ya, hoki aja kalau semuanya respon mah.
And then,
Jangan rasa-rasa Brad Pitt lu.
how do you know when to stop dating other people then?
If you feel like this is something, I feel like when you know, susah ya kayaknya, because when I was with you, it was just her, right? And I know I wanna make it something gitu kan?
Ya, tapi kan before me there was kind of someone that you kind of went on a date with
Iya, cuma kan I know it's not gonna go anywhere.
So
dari
why did you
awal.
go?
Iya, hah?
Why did you go?
To get in her pants. What else?
Tapi her pants was to XS ya.
Mungkin ya.
Jadi nggak bisa.
Iya kan? That's the only. It's just ya udah lu mau, too bad gitu kan?
Okay. How did I know that we are not going to be seeing other people? Mungkin hard attitude dari awal, karena memang maksudnya, okay, to begin with, you have to know sebelum balik lagi ke yang tadi gitu kan. When you are ready to be in a relationship, biasanya akan ketemu dengan yang memang satu frekuensi gitu
betul,
ya.
betul.
Nah, kalau memang you are not ready to be in a relationship, mungkin just go and take a step back dulu kalau ternyata the other person wants to be in a relationship, karena I don't think it's fair to the other person. Mungkin itu ya.
Yeah.
Tapi kalau memang udah going into it, you know that I want to be in a relationship, dan ternyata the other person tuh juga responding, I guess it's gonna be very natural. And mungkin salah satu yang paling gampang lah telltale sign bahwa you would want to stop seeing other people adalah satu, you have the same values, you have similar dreams,
Yeah.
and also that you are very attracted to the person,
Betul.
ya kan?
Betul.
Dan
Harus menurut gua
iya,
harus.
dan you really like spending time with that
Yeah,
other person,
betul.
with that person.
Betul.
Kalau if you don't like talking to them, you don't like doing activities with this person, ngapain?
Tapi ya udahlah dia mau gitu kan?
Iya,
buang
ngapain?
waktu. Ini gue paling suka nih. Ini abis itu gue ngedit terus footage-nya geter-geter nih, anjing. Gara-gara digeser-geser. Gara-gara perfeksionisnya dia nih.
Enggak, itu adjustment penting gitu. Kalau enggak pasti around 200 pixels to the left.
Nah itu. Terus gue mandiin, kenapa nih geter sih? Gue paling demen nih.
Okay.
Yeah. How would you know when to introduce them to friends? When did you guys do it?
I don't really think about that. I don't really think about that because who the fuck cares what my friends think?
I care. Bukan what they think ya. Tapi I think I want to see how you behave when you are with my friends.
Yeah, from another point of view, if I'm just thinking about, I don't really put people to the test. I don't.
Bukan tes sih sebenarnya kalau aku. Cuman karena gini ya, mungkin kalau kamu belum pernah dating poolnya tidak terlalu banyak gitu ya. Tapi kan I have been with.
Jangan sombong kamu.
Bukan sombong ini. Maksudnya ini sebenarnya bagian dari malunya saya
malunya,
ya.
bagian.
Bahwa I don't like the fact that I've dated more than you gitu. Tapi
Well, 2 is easy. After 2 is 3, it's easy.
ya.
Nah, it's not hard.
Right. Tapi maksudnya you can really see how a person is kalau udah diintroduce to a different environment.
Can he blend in? Can he interact gitu?
Respectfulnya gimana?
Iya,
Terus
iya.
iya.
Aslinya emang kelihatan ya?
Betul, interactionnya gimana? Apakah tiba-tiba he hits on my girlfriend gitu kan?
You're right.
Jadi itu sebenarnya kayak sebagian dari test case juga jatuhnya.
Iya.
You don't really want to put them in test, cuman actually you also kind of like watchful over it gitu.
I'm not that watchful. I don't.
Tapi I do take time to bring someone in to meet the family.
Yes.
Kalau
that-
friends mungkin lebih gampang ya,
Well,
karena
that
kan
for sure.
they're grown-ups, maksudnya they're big gitu loh.
Yeah.
They have their own mind. They can hate them, they cannot see them. Tapi kalau with your family,
Yes, it entails more when your family knows them already.
yeah.
It entails seriousness. It entails a lot of different stuffs.
Yeah, especially kalau my family kan it included younger.
Ya, ada
Ones,
safety precautions juga.
Betul. So yes, you would want to wait for a time that you know that you're exclusive, that
Yes.
you are kind of
It's
serious.
going somewhere gitu.
Yeah, going somewhere, then you bring them to the family.
Yeah,
Tapi
urusan-
kalau friends mah, kayaknya dari awal-awal juga nggak apa-apa.
Iya,
Justru
I don't-
biar kelihatan gimana.
I don't really.
Iya.
How would you like realistically decide when that's the next step to take to meet the family? Do you think a conversation should happen first? A certain conversation needs to happen first, not necessarily like, do you want to meet my family, but like, do you think like,
I don't think it's a conversation, but it's just if he or she agrees, that means.
Asal nggak mau nggak apa-apa, yuk ketemu keluarga.
Ya maksudnya if she agrees, that means she's comfortable
Kemure
enough.
banget.
Atau kalau she disagree, then yeah, let's talk about it, gitu kan?
To meet the family.
Iya.
Oh,
Karena kan meet the family juga bukan berarti langsung udah pasti jadi kan?
yeah. Kalau for me, karena gini, I don't like to make it into a big thing. So waktu kamu pertama kali ketemu juga kan lebih kayak, oh lagi ada like my mom is here, we're going there, or like my niece atau
Yeah.
apa gitu. Tapi after a certain period of time, tapi yes, it was after a few conversations actually bahwa I know who you are, I know your character.
Yeah.
Gitu ya. I'm pretty sure about your character,
Yeah.
and then I'm pretty sure that we are exclusive,
Yeah.
going somewhere, and you know the condition of me and my background and my family gitu. Baru I will bring you
Jadi
to the
intinya gini guys, kalau mau nanya yang lebih mikir-mikir, tanya Asti aja. Kalau saya jarang mikirnya habisnya. I don't think I think about that too much.
Ya, karena kan kamu tidak terlalu huru hara kan.
Betul.
Backstory-nya.
mungkin.
Kalau bagi kita yang huru hara backstory-nya, mungkin ini harus
Lebih hati-hati, lebih
Iya.
pikirin, betul.
maybe the lines are also clearer for you when it comes to family.
Iya. I think so.
Ya.
Speaking of family and baggage, do you believe that people should be healed when they come into dating? Like, you know how they say like, oh, you can't love someone if you don't love yourself?
Wow.
Or do you believe that going into dating, you can be healing while you're dating?
Then you can never date then.
I'm very much the second one. Because no
Oh,
matter
yeah.
how healed you are, you will always have shit that you carry. Iya kan? No. That needs to be there. That shit needs to be there. Shit needs to be there.
Shit.
Yeah.
Shit.
No.
Shit.
No, this is too much.
Shit.
No. The thing is, everyone will have their own junk, their own garbage, their own shit that they carry, because even though, I guess until we die, we will still have issues that we face.
Yeah.
Tapi kalau you wait until everything's settled to go on to start dating, ya tunggu mati dulu gitu.
Yeah.
Do you think there's a certain amount of healing that you should have?
Well, yeah,
dating?
if the baggage is, misalnya gini deh, we go into this relationship with trust issues. Ya kan? Misalnya we go into this relationship, does it mean the trust issue needs to heal first, or do you need to acknowledge that you have trust
Yeah,
issues,
you're right.
that you are willing to work on that gitu? Tapi kan willing to work on that-nya juga berapa lama gitu kan?
Tapi berarti acknowledgement-nya would
Lebih
be,
penting
ya,
daripada
the key.
udah healed-nya, bukan result-nya, tapi acknowledgement-nya gitu.
Oh ya, saya tahu saya insecure.
Betul,
Gitu ya. Oh
lebih
ya,
penting.
saya tahu bahwa saya susah mempercayai orang.
Betul, saya tahu saya egois gitu kan.
Iya.
Lebih mendingan udah tahu dulu
Saya
bukannya.
tahu saya ngehe gitu ya.
Nah, itu disensor nggak apa-apa itu tadi barusan. Ngehi gitu kan.
Emang ngehe tuh nggak bagus ya?
Makaroni ngehe mah.
Iya tuh, makaroninya namanya ngehe. How can ngehe be bad?
Bener.
Kita nggak disponsor by the way.
Enggak.
Gue dulu gue kira ngehe tuh sama ngewe tau. Gue ngeliat makaroni ngewe.
Aduh, nggak ada maksudnya tuh makaroni ngewe. Terus?
Yeah, so do you guys believe you're still healing even as you're married?
Iya,
Yeah,
definitely.
for sure. For sure, there are still issues that we face. Cuman issues-nya makin beda aja ya, kayaknya.
Yeah, so I guess in dating, it's okay if you have issues karena memang the other person's gonna have issues too.
Iya.
Tapi memang it will be easier if you already know that you are a broken person, and if that other person also knows that ya dia juga nggak perfect gitu ya.
Betul.
I think it's gonna be easier for the both of you to come into a relationship and start to heal together.
Dan admission sama acknowledgement sama wanting to work on it to two very different things.
Ya.
I can acknowledge that I'm an egotistical person. Cuman gue begini bodo amat gitu.
Yeah.
Ada aja yang begitu kan.
Yeah.
And that is to me, ya.
Kembali lagi, humility.
Itu.
Humility.
Nanti edit ya with the clouds.
Ntar urusan Evanya itu.
All right, so anyways, guys, thank you so much for
Oh, that's
hanging
it?
out with us.
Oh, okay.
We had so much fun, but please do tell us about your stories. Leave them in the comments, and
If you guys have any questions that
Yeah.
we might be able to shed a little light to,
Share,
please
yeah.
do share in the comment section below.
because again, we are not perfect people, we're broken people, tapi we do want to share what we've experienced with you.
Right. I'm Couch.
I'm Nessie. See you next time.
They should make an edit where Asti says I'm Messi terus highlights compilation of Lionel.
I'm Messi. Akar Messi.
Barça في تيكي تاكا كرة ليو ميسي ميسي ساعدت جولاتو كان جولاتو كرة دي ميسي خطيرة ميسي